In this video, I'm going to show you the fastest way to duplicate an object, especially if you're using it for a print plus cut project. So let me zoom out here. I have this 2-inch little sun guy. I'm going to make this a print plus cut project for stickers, okay? And in my layers panel, it is a PNG file, so I have the cut file and the print file already. You want to make sure that you have your layers set properly, and then you just hit Control D, or you go to Object, Duplicate, and here's the shortcut, okay? And then you can duplicate your rows and your columns, or actually it's columns and rows. And then, oh, 6 is too many, I need 5. And then you can reduce your spacing as well. So I'm going to actually make this one 100. Okay, and then that's a full sheet. I can group them right here in the box. That way, if I need to move them up or down or over or whatever to fit better on the page, then I can do that, and I'm done. Easy peasy. I've been seeing people do it the hard way, so I thought I would make this video to make it easier on you. Thanks for watching.